Mais 3 expressions américaines souvent utilisées les à parler de santé. Under the weather. Under the weather.
I'm afraid Ash is feeling a little bit under the weather.
Lively dit malade. Jenny is under the weather. Jenny is under the weather. Safe and sound. Safe and sound.
To keep us all safe and sound.
Non plus utiliser le n'a parler de accident ou bien yon attaque. For example, there was an accident yesterday, but everyone is safe and sound. There was an accident yesterday, but everyone is safe and sound. Alive and kicking. Alive and kicking.
Did you happen to notice I'm back? Alive and kicking?
Livre dit en forme ou bien en bonne santé. For example, my uncle had a surgery last month, but now he's alive and kicking. My uncle had a surgery last month. Now he's alive and kicking. Ou ta reme apprendre anglais ensemble avec eh bien 6 avril, moi gen une nouvelle session à souhait k'ap commencer. Contactez-moi sur WhatsApp pour plus d'informations.